My name is Bassirou Chitou, and I would like to welcome you to this edition 2024 of the International Program for Development Evaluation Training in Bern, Switzerland. Imagine for a moment that you spend 2 weeks, $300,000 collecting data in Kisumu, Kenya, on an intervention that itself costs $900,000. You would like to convince the government, the donors, that the program works based on your experience and hunch. If this is you, you are welcome to the Quantitative Data Analysis workshop, which will be held on July 25-26 in Bern, Switzerland. As a senior statistician with over 20 years of experience, including 11 years as IPDET instructor, I will guide you in acquiring the necessary skill to just convince the government, the donors, and other stakeholders. At the end of this workshop, you learn how to use and when to use the various descriptive statistic tools, how to implement hypothesis testing, how to conduct inferential statistics that inform decision and policy, how to present your finding as a compelling story that touches the heart of stakeholders and donors. Join me at this quantitative data analysis workshop in Bern, Switzerland, the cherished place of Albert Einstein. Listen, in our current world, where we are inundated with big data, the need for qualified data analysis is paramount more than ever in every other time in history. Join me at this workshop in Bern, Switzerland this summer. See you in Bern.